little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to create something adorable, a cute milk coffee drawing. So grab your markers and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, take your trusty black marker and draw the outline of our coffee cup. Now let's add the cap. Imagine it's like a little hat for our coffee. Next, draw the cup itself. Connect the cap to the cup with 2 lines. Every coffee needs a straw. Draw a thin line sticking out from the side of the cup. Our coffee cup wants to say hello. Draw 2 cute eyes right below the cap. Maybe it's a friendly cup. Time to decorate. Draw some small circles all around the cup. These are like sprinkles of happiness. Let's make our drawing pop. Go over the outline with your black marker. Make it bold and sharp. Because our coffee cup loves you. Let's add a heart shape somewhere. Now it's the best part, coloring. Let's use our colorful pens. Say the colors with me. Pink color.
Awesome!
Orange color. Brown color. Brown color again.
Wow!
Yellow color. And there you have it, little artists. Your very own cute milk coffee drawing. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel. Until next time, keep creating and stay awesome. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.